This is Chris from the TraderGuy.com taking a look at the March 2nd trading session, and in front of you I have the Aussie-Swiss pair. The first thing I would say about the Aussie-Swiss pair is that it's very sensitive to risk, meaning that as we go higher, the market should coincide with risk on, and that's what we've seen lately. Stock markets going higher, grinding, that kind of thing. Certainly the S&P 500, the Dow Jones 30, the DAX, the FTSE 100, the CAC, pretty much anything you look at stock-wise at least looks very strong during the session on Wednesday. So that's what I'm looking for, is a continuation of this move. I'm going to go ahead and go down to the 4-hour chart. You can see that we have pulled back. I'm going to put a line right here to kind of demonstrate my point. I believe that the 0.775 level, of course, offers resistance. That's what we've seen, and I'm willing to go along at 0.7755. Just a simple break above there. I'd have my stop at about 0.7720. I would have a target of 0.78-ish. I might take a couple pips short, and at that point I'm taking half off. I'm moving my stop to break even, and this is a common tactic that I use in order to take advantage of big moves. So what I mean by that is, I feel fairly confident I'll probably get the move to the 0.78 level, but breaking out's an entirely different scenario sometimes. So it's nice to, at the very least, be at break even, but if you take half your profits, you at least gain something. Very short stop loss, so it's a small risk to what is an uptrend. Grantedly, an admitted choppy pair, but certainly we have quite a bit of bullish pressure. Pay attention to gold specifically. If that rises, that could be good. And also pay attention to other things such as the stock markets and commodity markets in general, especially like copper has a huge effect on the Aussie. So pay attention to this pair. This is a very interesting trade from my perspective.